What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a killer fudgy brownie recipe. So let's get straight into it. You're first going to need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then I have here 3/4 of a cup of already sifted plain flour, 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of icing sugar, dash of pink salt, and we're ready to mix. Okay, so now that all of our dry ingredients are done, we're going to get another bowl and work on our wet ingredients. I'm cracking in 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also 1/2 cup of olive oil. When this mixture is combined, you can now pour in your dry ingredients. I'm also going to add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Next, you're going to line your baking tray and pour in your batter. Make sure to smooth it out as well. These brownies should be baked at 165 degrees for 45 minutes. Once they're done, pop them out and let them cool for 30 minutes before you start slicing them. So there we have it, these extra fudgy, gooey chocolate chip brownies. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also remember to subscribe because it really supports my channel.